What's up everyone, Tech Mindset here. Today's video, we're unboxing the iPhone 15 Plus. Today's video is sponsored by a fan who graciously sent me the iPhone to unbox today. The new iPhone 15s carry over the dynamic island from the iPhone 14 Pros and Pro Maxes, and I think it looks pretty good here. It's about 6.33 inches tall, 3.06 inches wide, and 0.31 inches deep, and it weighs a little less than last year's at 7.09 ounces. It shares the same screen size as last year at 6.7 inches. The main camera has also been bumped up to 48 megapixels. The new phones are also powered by the new A16 Bionic. And the colors are a little more faded this time, but I do like the pink on this one, with a nice frosted glass back that doesn't attract fingerprints and the nice matte aluminum sides compared to the glossy stainless steel on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And if you're expecting anything in the box other than the phone, the charger, and a pamphlet, well, you must be living under a rock. I'm gonna do a slow peel here so you can hear all that great sound. The non-Pro 15 still carried the mute switch as opposed to the new action button found on the Pros. All that aside, the biggest thing to me though is the new USB-C port. Unfortunately, it's still USB 2.0 in speeds, but hey, it's a USB-C port and I can finally charge it on the same cords that I bought back in 2015 when I had the Nexus 6P. And while it may not be reverse wireless charging, you can use the iPhone 15 to charge the Apple Watch or AirPods, which is pretty cool. Unfortunately, I won't be able to go into the phone itself as I need to get this phone back to its owner. If you like what you saw, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have ideas for future videos and reviews, be sure to leave a comment below. That's all for this one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.